On the launch page here, you have some practice with the different coding elements like variables, conditionals, loops, and arrays. But I want to show here this sandbox and kind of the methods that you'll have to get started with this project. Okay, so you have the power method, or pow, which raises a to the b power. So if you have pow 2 comma 3, that's going to hold, m is going to hold the variable or the value 8. Since 2 to the third is 8. You have square root of a number, so sqrt. Sqrt of 25 is going to be 5, so n's holding the value 5. You have the absolute value, abs. Absolute value of 2 is 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. So O is holding the value 4. And then lastly, you have this draw point method, which actually will draw a point on the graph. So draw point 3, 5. You'll see a point where x is 3 and y is 5. Okay, so what I want you to do is copy this code, and the explanation for these lines of code are provided below. You can read through those. But when you copy that and execute it, you should see these 3 points. Okay, and those 3 points, the x and y coordinate of those 3 points are kind of determined with these lines of code up here, so you can kind of go through that. But that's to show you how to get started. Okay, so then your first project will be the midpoint of 2 points. But spend some time before you do that in this sandbox. You can actually change, your own thing. You can try draw point 85. And you can kind of work with variables and see what you can do. 8,5 is already a point. Okay, so 8,5 is a point, but you can try 9,5. Should put 1 to the right of that. Okay, so mess around with it. That's what a sandbox is for. Get used to using pow, abs, square root, other math operations. I could do 5 minus 3, and I can put that in the parameter there. That's going to draw a point at 9, 2. Okay, over here. So mess around with it and then get started with the midpoint.